Okay guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. Okay, so guys, before we go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. Take your time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategy. Practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Okay guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other, and everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. So this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame. This had been on downtrend for a very long time. I had a major pullback around here when it got to this support zone, but it later went back down to break out below this support zone and got to a new support zone. Wasn't able to break out from there, so it started an uptrend. You can see the yellow flag and of course the blue arrows, and of course this is still buying at the moment, even though it is at this resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend, but for now it is still buying. Okay, so we should take note of that. The next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, so this is boom 500, and of course we're going to be checking it out also on 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so this has been on a very strong uptrend. You can see the yellow flag, and it has been buying and buying and buying with little pullback in between. Okay, so this is still fully on uptrend. However, if it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, then definitely it will go back on downtrend, so we should take note of that. But for now it is still buying. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay, so guys, this is crash 1000, and of course right here this had also been on a very strong uptrend. Okay, you can see it broke out above this resistance zone and got to a new one around here, and also broke out from there, and of course this is still very much buying, very much on uptrend. Okay, so it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so if it's unable to break out from the next resistance zone, then we are most likely to experience a downtrend, but for now it is still buying. Okay, now next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay, so guys, this is crash 500. Crash 500 had also been on uptrend for a very long time, but it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out from there. Had a pullback, went back there again, still had another pullback, and of course it's giving it another try. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment, even though this might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction into a downtrend, most especially if it's unable to break out from the resistance zone. So the next asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. V75 was on downtrend starting from this resistance zone, but came to an end around there, but right from here it started an uptrend, and this is still buying at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so we should take note of that, guys. We should take note of that. Okay, we'll be stopping right here. Remember that this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Okay, take your time to browse through the channel, learn the strategies, and of course do not forget to give me a follow and like this video. And also share it with your friends and family. Okay, thank you and God bless you.